Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this. These are podi Detox foot pads. I got these at a trade show. They were free, so check this out. All natural foot pads. You got bamboo vinegar, things like that. What you get in there? Maybe there is... Oh, there's several. There's probably like 4 or 5 in there. Instructions: clean foot, tear down faster adhesive plaster attached to foot. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. Show you what it looks like. Sometimes this isn't what it seems. You know, when it turns dark, it could just be oxidation from what the package does. But I'll double check. Yeah, see, vitamin C, when it might just, sounds like it's just oxidation, but I'll double check. I'm gonna try them out. I'll be right back, guys. So you get these little pads. Basically what you want to do is you see, you want to put the adhesive sheet on this, and then you strap this right onto your feet. So this, look how many pads it comes in with. There's like 10, I think. So you can have, you'll use it for a long time. This is the adhesive stick. Right here. So there it is, right? So what you do, you put the adhesive, well, it comes off like this, right? And then you step it on, put it right on your feet. So that's pretty much it. So guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put these on. Alright, so this is the pads when they've stuck on your feet for about 9-10 hours. Yeah, you see it's a little darker, but it could also just be because it's wet, because you're sweating. So yeah, that's something to note. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.